What's up, y'all? One Dirtbike Boy here. This is a 99 Explorer Sport. 4-liter single overhead cam, Dynomax bullet muffler with the stock resonator still in place, and it has a 3-inch tip, I think. Cold start. Go put it in gear and then bring it back to neutral. I mean, back to park so you can hear it. Give me 1 second. When you drop it in the drive, it the RPM is lower. To a regular idling temp. I mean, not temp, regular idle RPM. Really can't get on it too much because my mother hates it, and I have elderly neighbors that are probably sleeping right now. It's like 7 o'clock, so I'll put another video up of it. Matter of fact, I'll just drive here for just a little bit. Seatbelt on. I'll give you a little what it sounds like when it's driving. Somebody asked me that, and these are the windows are like halfway down. Well, 75% down, 100% down. The windows are all the way down. You can see, really I have to do a driving vid with like a tripod so you can get the full gist of it, but it's not really that loud. It's actually quieter. When I first got it, it sounded louder, but I think it's tuned down, or I even got used to it. So I'll see you later.